Everyone can hear me? Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Dr. Kozakowski, for this wonderful, wonderful introduction. So today's seminar that I'm going to present, and actually we are going to present from my team, that would be a little bit of, surprise, yet not surprise for everyone. So today's seminar that we are going to present uh, would be on would be on this topic. Let me share my screen. Everyone is seeing my presentation mode, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, great. So we'll talk about this tool called Fusion, and this is a tool. Basically, we all most of the time in our day-to-day work, we work on bright field histology images, but spatial biology, molecular omics, or spatial omics is an emerging field, and there are so many advancements are going on, and this is a time when we are there to bring these technologies and combine this data with what we learn from bright field histology. So Fusion is a tool that our lab developed, which basically integrate spatial omics and computationally derived information from bright field histology, kidney tissue samples, especially from kidney. In our case, that's what we'll be discussing, but it can be expanded for other tissue systems as well. And today, so the first 10 minutes or first 15 minutes, I will giving you an overview of what leads us, our group, to build Fusion. So I will give an historical overview of computational work in kidney pathology context, where the field is going. And then I will hand over to the remaining part of the talk to someone in my group, Mr. Sam Border. He is a PhD candidate, and he developed this tool under my supervision. And also a few other innovators are Dr. Laura Barisoni and Jessica Ray. I don't know whether Laura is present here or not. And this tool that Sam will present from his development perspective, but we have developed an extensive usability study, because no tool is useful if the users or the stakeholders cannot use that tool, because we are in a stage where a stage of research today when AI is there everywhere, but AI based research will not be useful if the important stakeholders, who are those important stakeholders in kidney context, are the patients, are the pathologists, nephrologists, as well as primary care physician. If they cannot use this tool, and if they cannot co-design with us by providing important feedback, then what we create is something called ethical blind spot, and we want to avoid that, and we want to go to the direct stakeholders to see how this kind of tools can be used and can be used in practice. So Sam will talk a lot about that, and to be productive, I will start talking about like what leads us to develop this Fusion tool. So before we get there, I think I wanted to show this image, and you have to forgive me. I'm an engineer, but my basic background was always in mathematics, engineering discipline, and this is the kidney pathology is the area. While working on the area, I have been learning biology, pathology, anatomy, physiology, and but that being said, I will try to explain one interesting biological phenomenon here, where this sample, this glomerulus, which all you can recognize, it is from a mouse which has moderate diabetes present with minimal and no proteinuria. However, this mouse, that means, was not showing any symptoms.